Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone in Snapchat. All right. Start by opening your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on the message icon right here at the bottom left. Tap on it. And here, you're going to want to find the person that you wanted to block. All right. For example, here, I'm going to block my friend right here, Mr. Wolvan. All right. I'm going to tap on this Bitmoji. In here, just go ahead and go to the three dots right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, you'll be able to see the option Manage a Friendship. Tap on it. In here, you'll have the option to block the person. Just go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, there will be a prompt. Are you sure you wanted to block the person? Well, hit on block if you want to. Tap on it. As you can see here, we have just blocked a person. All right. Another way to block a person is just when you are in here in the message section. Let's say, for example, we wanted to block a random person right here. Just tap and hold on his or her profile or Bitmoji. Tap and hold. As you can see, you'll be able to block person here as well. Just go ahead and tap on block. As you can see, are you sure you wanted to block the person? Just hit on block and done. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.